Fight scenes are often the most exhilarating parts of any movie, keeping us on the edge of our seats and leaving a lasting impression. When combined with top-notch visual effects, these scenes can become truly iconic moments in cinema. But how exactly are these effects created, and how do they enhance the action? Today, we're exploring some of the most memorable movie fight scenes, revealing how they were crafted both with and without VFX. Let's get started. Number 10. Hobbs and Shaw. High-octane action. When Hollywood heavyweights like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Jason Statham, and Idris Elba come together, you know you're in for an adrenaline-pumping ride. Hobbs and Shaw, a spin-off from the Fast and Furious franchise, is packed with jaw-dropping stunts, like leaping out of skyscrapers and racing down building exteriors. While these scenes dazzle on screen, behind the scenes, they were brought to life with a mix of practical effects and blue-screen magic. Director David Leitch, a seasoned stunt performer, ensured that the action was as realistic as possible, with the cast undergoing intense training. Once the VFX team added their finishing touches, these scenes became the blockbuster highlights we remember. Number 9. Avengers Endgame. Captain America vs. Captain America. One of the standout moments in Avengers Endgame is the showdown between Captain America and his past self during the time heist. This sequence required Chris Evans to film both roles separately, with his stunt double, Daniel Hargrave, stepping in for certain shots. The challenge for the VFX team was to seamlessly blend these performances, creating the illusion of a fierce battle between two versions of Cap. The result is a scene that's both thrilling and a fan favorite. At number 8, we have Spider-Man: Far From Home, London Showdown. The epic battle near Tower Bridge in Spider-Man: Far From Home took Spider-Man's abilities to new heights. Although it looks like the cast filmed on location in London, much of what we see on screen was created digitally. The VFX team constructed a virtual version of the city using LiDAR scans and reference photos, while the actors performed against blue screen. The final result is a visually stunning sequence that showcases Spider-Man's agility and the VFX team's incredible work. Number 7. Captain Marvel: Train Roof Brawl. Bringing Captain Marvel's intergalactic adventures to the screen required some serious VFX. One of the film's most exciting moments is the fight on top of a speeding train as Captain Marvel battles a disguised Skrull. The scene was filmed in various locations around Los Angeles and later stitched together with CGI to create the illusion of a continuous, high-speed chase. Brie Larson's dedication to the role, combined with the VFX team's expertise, resulted in a sequence that's both thrilling and visually dynamic. At number 6, Zack Snyder's Justice League, Superman vs. the League. In Zack Snyder's Justice League 2021, the fight between a resurrected Superman and the other members of the Justice League is a powerful, intense sequence. Snyder's cut of the film expands on this scene, adding more depth and darker tones compared to the 2017 version. Shot largely against green screens, the actors had to master precise choreography to make the fight look authentic. The VFX team then layered in their effects to bring the full vision to life, resulting in a scene that's both emotionally charged and visually spectacular. Number 5. Avengers Endgame. Captain America vs. Thanos. Avengers Endgame set a new standard for visual effects in film, particularly in its epic final battle. One of the most memorable clashes is between Captain America and Thanos. On set, Chris Evans and Josh Brolin, in a motion capture suit, performed their parts, with Evans wielding an imaginary shield. The The VFX team later added Cap's shield and transformed Brolin into the towering Thanos we see on screen. The scene's seamless blend of practical acting and digital effects helped make it one of the most iconic moments in superhero cinema. Now, if you haven't liked this video yet, kindly click the like button and subscribe to Breadfruit Studios to catch our future episodes. Thank you. Moving on to number 4, we have John Wick Chapter 3, Motorcycle Mayhem. Action scenes on motorcycles are always a spectacle, and John Wick Chapter 3 takes it to another level. The high-speed bike chase featuring Keanu Reeves was meticulously choreographed and shot with green screens and motion capture technology. The VFX team then added CGI elements, including additional bikes and riders, to create the thrilling sequence we see in the film. The result is an action-packed scene that's as intense as it is visually impressive. Number 3. Avengers: Age of Ultron, Black Widow's chase. In Avengers: Age of Ultron, Black Widow's motorcycle chase is a standout moment. Riding a specially designed Harley-Davidson Livewire, Scarlett Johansson and her stunt doubles weaved through South Korean traffic at breakneck speeds. The chase was filmed with a combination of practical stunts and green screen work, with the VFX team later enhancing the scenes to create the fast-paced, high-octane sequence that thrilled audiences worldwide. Number 2. John Wick Chapter 4, Arc de Triomphe Showdown. John Wick Chapter 4 delivers one of the most memorable action sequences in recent film history with the fight scene around the Arc de Triomphe. Keanu Reeves battles foes in a breathtaking mix of hand-to-hand combat and vehicular mayhem. The scene was meticulously rehearsed and shot, with green screens and rodeo FX used CGI to create the chaotic traffic and larger-than-life stunts. The result is a sequence that is both a technical marvel and a testament to the film's commitment to delivering top-tier action. Number 1. Aquaman: Underwater Battles. Finally, we dive into the visually stunning underwater fight scenes from Aquaman. The film brought entire underwater cities and epic battles to life through groundbreaking VFX. The actors were filmed on dry sets using special rigs, and their performances were later enhanced with CGI to create the illusion of them moving fluidly through water. The result is a fully immersive underwater world, complete with dynamic battles that are as visually spectacular as they are innovative. And lights out! We hope you enjoyed this breakdown of some of cinema's most iconic fight scenes. Let us know your favorite in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Breadfruit Studios for more filmmaking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.